So let's say the length is considered to be the 40 meters and the width to be the 20 meters. Okay, so then if we increase each of the length and width by the same amount, let's call it x, right? So then if we have 40 plus x and we calculate the area of the new rectangle, right, it should give us double the original area. So this area is 800, right? But then if I double it, it becomes 1600. Okay, so then solving for this, we have 800 plus 40x plus 20x, so that's 60x plus x squared is equal to 1600. Move the 1600 to the other side and we get this equation. 800 minus this gives me minus 800. Okay. So you cannot factor this, so you need to use the quadratic formula. A is 1, B is 60, and C is minus 800. So we get that x is equal to minus 60 plus or minus square root of 60 squared minus 4 times 1 times minus 800 all over 2 times 1. Okay, so if you plug this into your calculator, you'll get approximately these two values. Okay, but clearly you cannot increase the length and the width if you have a negative x. Okay, so you have to use this, right? So that means you have to increase, right, the length and width by 11.2 meters.